In this tutorial, I will show you how you can get paid per click. All thanks to a specific free website you've never seen before. All you need to do is follow all the steps in this video and then you'll be able to set this up for yourselves and make money on complete autopilot. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. The very first website you need to go over to is a particular one, to say the least. It's called Entire Web. And you need to go over to entireweb.com. Now, even though this website is not the one that will set up everything on autopilot for you, that website we've left for the end of the video, Entire Web, is still incredibly important to this strategy. What this website is, even though you've never heard about it before, you can figure out when you come onto here. Reason being is, it looks suspiciously similar to Google, doesn't it? And it indeed is a platform just like Google. EntireWeb is a new search engine, and just like on Google, you can come on here and search for basically anything you want and get a load of search results. Now obviously you guys are not here to search for anything, but rather to make money. And believe it or not, the platform that will be paying you today is indeed entireweb.com. As some of you may guess, the reason this website will be paying us today is because we want to promote it as an affiliate. To access their affiliate page, first click on these three lines in the upper right corner. Then select affiliate below. On here, you will now be able to see that you will earn 20 cents per every single click on this website. Note, it says click, not referral, not purchase, just a click. In other words, if you refer someone here and you search for 2 things in this website, you will earn 40 cents. If someone you refer here decides to search for 10 things, you will earn $2 and so on. The main reason this website is so good to promote as an affiliate is that it's a brand new. This is why they're willing to pay you per click. As many of you know, Google is by far the largest search engine online nowadays, with second to no competitions that come close to its popularity. In other words, websites like this one here need traffic to keep them alive, which is why per click you generate, they will pay you. Something that not many other affiliate programs offer. Furthermore, another reason you want to promote this platform is that, as I said prior, people don't need to make a purchase. And of course, it's easier to convince people to come onto here and search for whatever rather than trying to get them to make a purchase. That we can see they do mention here where it says high conversion rates, which basically means that a high number of people who come onto this website will search for something and make you money in the end. And it's also worth noting down here that it says anyone can join, meaning that this website is indeed a worldwide available. And this is just as important because now your traffic isn't limited to just the US or Western Europe. In the US, you can instead refer people from anywhere and you will still get paid. Point being, guys, you will be able to refer far more people to this website than any other one, thanks to the fact that nobody needs to purchase anything, and the fact that it's worldwide available, and you will be able to refer a lot of more people as well, thanks to the traffic source I will show you later on. Before we get into that, what I need you now to do is sign up to this website as an affiliate. To do so is easy. Just come onto this page here, click on create account here, and then on the next page, to create your brand new account, just type in your full name in these 2 boxes and your email address below. You now want to scroll down a bit so you can select your country here. And for those who are skeptical, you can check out the list of countries they have available if you want to make sure that they're worldwide as promised. Anyways, once you select your country, You want to scroll down further and now type in your payment info. And as you can see, they will pay you via PayPal indeed, a platform many of you guys appreciate. As such, you want to type in your PayPal email address here. You then want to select individual where it says publisher type, and then type in your name, address, and a few bits of info before you can sign up onto here and grab your affiliate link. When you do that, guys, you will now finally go over to the website that you will use to set this up on complete autopilot. And the website in question is this one right here called Microworkers. I am now over at their official website, microworkers.com. What this website is, since most of you haven't heard about before, is basically a platform where you can go and complete various micro jobs, as its name suggests, in exchange for a bit of money. So you can come onto here, complete a few surveys, for example, to get paid. There are many more jobs than that, but that is just one example. Now, of course, you are not here, guys, to complete those jobs. You want to instead get traffic to entire web so you can earn money. And it is through this website that you will get that traffic. Because on here, while you can work, you can also pay people incredibly minuscule amount of money for them to sign up to any website you want. So yes, this does require investment, but it's insanely cheap. You can get a single sign up with 5 cents, I believe. So you won't be investing hundreds of dollars into this platform or whatever. Nothing like that. In order to get traffic, what you have to do on here is predictably sign up. To do so, first click on register in the upper right corner here. And then on the next page, you'll have to type in some of your info to create a new account. Your full name, gender, birth date, email address, password, physical address, and so much more. I won't go over all of that. When you log into your new account in this website, this is what you'll have to do to get signups to your affiliate link. First, click on Create TV Campaigns right here. Then you want to click on Start a New Basic Campaign. And finally, on the next page, you'll be able to create that campaign with a few options. You can select from which country you want signups, and you obviously want to select all of them, since entire web is worldwide available, as you know. Anyways, once you do that, you will now be able to select the category on the left side here, and the subcategory to the right of that. And even though you have the sign up category here, as you can see, you don't want people to just sign up to entire web. Rather, you want them to search on entire web. So I recommend choosing as SEO and web traffic here. And you can then select visit here depending on how much money you want to invest right off the bat. You would select either one visit per person or multiples of them. When done, you now just have to type in a bit of info down here. Most importantly of all, the number of positions or the number of people who will go to entireweb.com. And check this out, for just 100 visitors, they will charge a mere $8. So this is insanely cheap, guys. But of course, depending on your budget, you will increase or decrease this number. Whatever number you go for though, what's certain is that you'll be able to make money on autopilot from here. You can just keep paying this website for visitors and keep making money in the process, doing nothing from here basically. All possible with merely 2 platforms involved. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.